Good morning. Sunday, December 8th, insulation day. We're going to insulate the ceiling today. And we'll be done with insulation pretty much. But first, I happened to remember to stop and get a Sharpie because all of these wires running through here, once we insulate this ceiling, we're not going to have any idea where those wires go. So I'm going to mark on every one what circuit this wire is for. So when I start populating my service panel, I know what to hook up, and then I can write on the service panel what each breaker is for. Got to think ahead, folks. All right, unlike me, you got to think ahead. All right.
Pantry.
All right.
Kitchen sink light
Goes over to the kitchen sink and
goes to that switch and back up to the sink light.
Yep.
It's only one.
Okay, I've got a double box here. So
One for the fan.
no, the fan's coming from over there. Why do I have a double box here?
The island light.
Yeah, it's going to have a light. Oh yeah, a light over the island. Sink light, island light. So that's kitchen, basically.
Kitchen lights.
Yep. So these are the only two that's left. One goes to the south side, one goes to the north side. Okay, this is north. This is that side.
Okay. This one.
LR north.
There we go. Down there.
Yeah. And then runs all the way around there.
Yeah.
LR south. I know it's living room and kitchen.
Okay, so now let's cut that one a little bit long.
Shouldn't be any of them long. That may have been the last of a piece, maybe, or last of a roll. You know what? That one right there. Oh, that was, yeah. Here we go. Let's hold it up. Yeah. Oh, I guess so. Get my sea legs going here. Alright.
Just put it over it.
Yeah, I think I can just put it over it. Okay. Should be good enough. I guess it's about the only place we have wire to worry about. Okay, let me I think I'm gonna need to go that way a little bit.
further, you're not going to reach that one.
I know, and then lock the wheels. At least those two. That's all we have to do.
Yeah.
Okay, that feels much better. You son of a bitch.
Probably just needs oil.
Maybe I don't know what I got in the barn.
Yeah, let me go see if I can figure it out.
All right, so as you can see, we have all the angle pieces that I need to do. So now I'm going to go cut 13 pieces of insulation at 90 inches to do this middle section. And that should do us. This was easier than trying to use one roll to go all the way across and down again. This was simpler, it'll be a tighter fit, and it makes it easier for one person.
Is a trash bag in there?
No. No. 90 inches. It was easier to cut the other stuff. So, let me flip this over. I'll put this flush there. Hang on to that for a second. Okay. I'm flush there? Yep. All right. There we go. There's the first bat.
It's down on top of our sawhorse so it doesn't flex so much. All right, folks, it's getting to be evening time. You see the plan there. Got everything cut, got it all ready. We're tired. But I'm going to go get all the electrical stuff I need for the ceiling so we can get that part done. Got the doorknob and lock set on. So it looks like a regular door now. And we can lock it. Gail's happy with that part. But yeah, it's coming together. It looks a little dark now. The clouds, or the sun's moving around. So yeah, I'm going to end this. Try to get it edited, get it uploaded today, get something up there. And go get me something to eat. Turned out to be a beautiful day. So I'll go up to the cabin, figure out what to cook for dinner. And take some ibuprofen. Because it sure do mess with my arm. But that scaffold absolutely was the best thing I could have gotten. It made it so much easier. Okay, I don't know what else to talk about. I'm done, man. We did enough for today. I got to buy knobs for that one. I forgot about the back door. But yeah, I'm happy with what we got accomplished. I hope you guys are. This is Joe. Remember to like, share, comment, blah, blah, do all that kind of shit. This is Joe out here at the shed house at St. Bernard Acres. I'm out, folks.